is good, y'all? It's your boy, The Shells, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Shells World TV. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new piece of video light that I got. It's an ICANN OYB 120 bicolor on camera light. Okay? This is what I got from B&H last Sunday. Had to go out with my mom for Mother's Day for Friday because, you know, rain was pretty bad on the weekend and restaurants were super packed. Anyhow, this is it. So I'm gonna unbox this real quick. Okay, already cut the tape and everything. This is what it looks like. Okay. See that there? Instructions. You don't need that right now. Okay, that's what it looks like. Get a better angle here. Yep. So this is what the shoe mount looks like. Get that real quick. This is what the shoe mount looks like. You can see that. Alright. Come with its own battery. The charger for it. Okay. So, being that this isn't charged yet, right? I'm gonna use the light from my Amaron light, which I'm using right here. I'll put a link for those two in the description down below. I've got them both from B&H. Just want to test out this light here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is switch the battery from the Amaron light to the ICANN light right now. Let me do that real quick. Turn this off. Take that battery out. Almost forgot how to take the battery out. Anyway, yeah. Take this off the shoe mount. Tripod here. Got two Sunpack tripods here. The 6000 PG and the 2001 UT. Okay. So now let's get this onto the ICANN light. Turn this on. Almost forgot where the power button was. Okay. Got these little controls here. See that, right? So, man, B&H was telling me it's best to keep it at 40. Let's see what this looks like right now. It's like a soft light. Especially when lighting faces. Okay. Right? I'm seeing a little bit of saturation. Let's crank this up to about 60, then we're gonna see what it looks like at 80. Alright, a bit more colors coming in. Right. It looks almost about the same as the Amaron light to me. To me personally, it looks about the same. Maybe you guys see a bit of a difference. I'm not too sure. So now I'm gonna bring this up to 80 like I said. Oops. Didn't mean to touch that there. Gotta figure out what that means. That I'm on this light here. Okay. So that's that at 80. Now again, guys, I don't know if you guys see a difference. Let me know in the comments below if you see a difference between the ICANN light and the Amaron light. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link in the description for both of those lights there. Okay? So I'm gonna be testing out more gear in the near future. I got this clip-on mic. I'm trying to do more green screen work for comedy sketches and everything. trying to definitely do some collaborations in the summer. I will be collaborating with a few family members in Florida in August sometime, so look out for that. Might try to do some other collabs before then though. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Wanted to keep this kind of short, you know, just wanted to test out this video like I said. So, you know, this is the iCan OBY20, the OBY120, the OYB120 actually. Got that wrong. Anyway, so let me know if you see the difference between the iCan and the Amaron Lite. Alright, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share, comment, and or subscribe. I make new videos for every Thursday, so don't forget to hit that bell to be notified. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter to be notified with every other update that I have going on. Follow me on the Like app at World Shows to see more videos that I post there that I can't post here because of copyright situations. Okay? Alright. So until next time, it's your boy The Shows. Alright? And I will see you guys next time when I upload. Peace!